To be able to make this Type-C connector work, you need to connect this to a Type-C slot, but since this is a budget motherboard, I don't have that slot. But so what I need is this adapter, Type-C adapter, into a normal USB slot, which I'm gonna connect right there. So what we need to do is connect this. There, and then this adapter goes into the USB slot right here. Just like that. Now this will work, but it won't be as fast as a USB Type-C. It will have the speed as a USB. But yeah, that's how you can at least make this work.